Hey everyone, this is Trainboy70. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Motorized 2025 James. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, side, the other side, and the back. Here are my tools to unbox Motorized 2025 James. 2 AAA battery, a screwdriver, and scissors. I'm going to unbox Motorized 2025 James off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back! As you can see, I just unboxed Motorized 2025 James. So there's James, his tender, and behind James we have the milk tanker. Also, inside James's tender, there's a coal inside. You could just take the coal out of James's tender. See? There's coal. If you want the coal back inside James's tender, you could just put it in like this. See? I gave James a battery and I gave him a test one, and he works. So let's see James once well. Well, that is a great test run with Motorized 2025 James. Well guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Send a comment, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in the next video.